Do you ever feel like your brain just shuts off after staring at your screen for hours? You're not alone, and the problem isn't your intelligence, it's your strategy. What if I told you that the secret to getting more done, learning faster, and thinking clearer is taking a break? Hey everyone, welcome back to Pulse Theory 360, the space where smart minds come to grow smarter. In today's video, we're going to uncover how short, intentional brain breaks can supercharge your focus, productivity, and memory, backed by neuroscience. Stick around, because I'm not just telling you why you need brain breaks, I'm going to show you exactly how to take them the right way. Let's dive in. We live in a go-go-go world. Emails, deadlines, meetings, social media pings. Our brains are constantly on. But here's the truth most people don't know. The human brain wasn't designed for non-stop focus. Studies show our concentration starts to drop after just 25 to 30 minutes of focused mental effort. That's about the length of your favorite sitcom. How often do you power through mental fatigue instead of stepping back? Let me know in the comments below. When we ignore those mental dips, we risk burnout, poor memory, and lower performance. But when we honor our brain's natural rhythm, we unlock next-level focus. Think of your brain like a muscle. After a heavy set at the gym, you wouldn't keep lifting without rest, right? Same goes for your mental reps. Your brain consumes 20% of your body's energy, even though it's only about 2% of your body weight. That's wild, right? When you take a break, you're not being lazy. You're giving your brain the oxygen, hydration, and movement it needs to come back stronger. And here's the best part. Breaks help you remember more by creating primacy and recency effects. You tend to remember what comes at the beginning and end of a session. And guess what breaks do? They create more beginnings and endings. All right, now let's get practical. I'm going to give you a simple 3-step formula for a powerful 5-minute brain break. Step 1. Breathe. Take deep, conscious breaths. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Do that for a minute. You're delivering fresh oxygen to your brain cells, boosting clarity. Step 2. Hydrate. Water is brain fuel. Even slight dehydration can shrink brain tissue and slow cognitive function. So during your break, grab that glass of water. Step 3. Move. Do something physical. Stand up, stretch, walk around, or try this fun one, cross-body taps. Touch your right hand to your left knee, then switch. This boosts coordination and activates both hemispheres of your brain. These movements are called cross-laterals, and they can stimulate brain connectivity and coordination. Want to take your brain break game to the next level? Here are a few fun and science-backed activities. Juggling. Yep, juggling. Studies show it increases white matter in the brain. Don't have juggling balls? Use rolled-up socks. Dancing. Whether you groove to a song or follow a quick TikTok routine, dancing engages body-mind coordination and enhances memory. Table tennis. If you have access to a ping pong table, this is like hit for your brain. Rapid reaction time, cross-body movement, and strategic thinking. Super brain yoga. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. Grab each earlobe with the opposite hand, squat down, then come back up. Repeat. It's a powerful body-mind reset. Which one of these will you try? Tell me in the comments. Taking brain breaks isn't just a one-time hack, it's a lifestyle habit. Try setting a timer for 25 minutes of work, then a 5-minute brain break. This is known as the Pomodoro technique, and it's a favorite among high performers. There are free apps that can help you automate this. Search for Pomodoro Timer and experiment with what works best for you. And remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Let's wrap this up. If you want to unlock better focus, faster learning, and long-lasting energy, don't push your brain to the limit. Pause, breathe, move, hydrate, then come back stronger. Challenge for you. For the next 7 days, commit to one 5-minute brain break every 30 minutes of focused work. Track your focus and see how much more productive you become. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more brain-boosting content every week. And before you go, drop a comment below and let me know, what's your favorite way to give your brain a break? Thanks for watching, and remember, your brain is your greatest asset. Use it wisely.